What we're making today is called unstuffed cabbage rolls. So the unstuffed cabbage rolls are really fairly easy to make. That's why I like it. And usually I've used ground turkey for everything, but I couldn't get any more at the store. So what I had in the freezer was 1 ground turkey, and this is a 93% lean. And then I had this Laura's lean ground beef, and it's 96% lean. So those are pretty good, and I think it'll work out just fine. I'm using the contadina crushed tomatoes. The recipe actually calls for diced ones, but hey, I got this like that dings and dents. I got this Hunt's Yuzu tomato sauce, and then you're gonna have a little olive oil, and then you got Himalayan salt, or just any kind of sea salt, pepper. Instead of doing my own crushed garlic, I got this big jar of mint. We got some onions, and we've got coleslaw. It actually calls for cabbage, but hey, I don't want to have to chop it all up, so this is simple. We've got the onions all tender, and the meat is all browned. I've added the salt and pepper and the garlic. So now, this would be your diced tomatoes, which is, mine just happens to be crushed, and your tomato sauce. And I added the 1/2 cup of water. And now, I'm gonna get this all just kind of mixed up in here. It's smelling good. Just kind of get this all stirred up, and then the last thing to add is your cabbage. Take my bag of slaw, and yeah, it's got some carrots and stuff in it, but that's okay. And I got this big old pan, so it is important to start with a large pan because you're gonna need the space. And I kind of stack it up on mine. I've done this a few times, so it usually works. And then I put a big old lid on it, and we're gonna let that cook down a little bit. All right, so this is cooking down beautifully, and the cabbage is kind of cooking down. You can see it's not so high in the pan anymore. So I just take a little bit of time, and I just kind of start incorporating it with all the meat and tomato sauce there at the bottom. And we'll get that all nice and delicious, and then we'll put the lid back on and let it keep cooking. And really the whole goal is just to get that cabbage cooked down until it is all the way soft and delicious. All right, we're gonna call this done. It smells fantastic, and you know, in this you have your full lean and green. You've got everything in one pot. You've got your protein, and you've got your vegetables, and hot. It's good. Try it at home. Unstuffed cabbage rolls. It's delicious for healthy cooking with Z.